Welcome back for part 2 of Jeboy's cheesy cake. Today is Monday the 17th of January. It's 12:46 and Jeboy rejoins us in the kitchen here at Adagio, and he's made another couple of cheesecakes. Good way of getting 2 more cheesecakes out of him. And he's now going to make the frosting. So over to you, Jeboy. What are you going to do?
Hi, so welcome back. So probably I'm going to make the frosting for our cheesy cake. So probably I'm cutting some butter right now, so it's a bit hard, but it's okay. We're gonna have nice and creamy frosting. So we're not gonna make it so dry and hard. So probably I'm gonna use a
Half a pound, 8 ounces.
Yeah, probably this is like 1.5 cup of butter. And I'm gonna have a 14 ounce of condensed milk. So just scrape the rest. Actually, I'm making 1 batch of our frosting. And cream cheese. So I hardly find the hard one. This one is a soft or spreadable thing. So the one I got is a hard cream cheese, so that you can have a very nice texture and, you know, not too creamy, not too watery or not too runny. But I think this one goes well. So. With the use of our handy mixer, this is our frosting. So not too runny, not too hard at the same time. So it's really spreadable and it's not gonna fall. So we're gonna cover our cheesecake, our cake later on. Then we're gonna put some shredded cheddar cheese. So I'm using the same brand of the cheddar cheese. So for the cheese later on, we're going to use 150 grams for this cake to cover all over.
And now the cake has cooled down. We have 2 cakes, in fact, this one and this one. And Jeboy is now going to make the frosting, which is going to go on the outside. So he has his grater, he has his cheese, and he has his mix. So over to you, Jeboy. What do we do?
So we're gonna spoon some of our frosting and top it. We're gonna do frosting. We're gonna frost the cake, cover all over with our cream cheese frosting. Okay, back to the cheesecake. So we got a frosted cake right now. So what we're gonna do after, we have to put our shredded cheese. We have to cover all over the cake. So I'm just gonna put all on the top, then I'm just gonna spread it out.
So I'll go around the sides. Clever.
Okay, so after this, we're just gonna scrape some, or no. Alright, so it's done.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. This is Jeboy's cheesy cake. We hope you have enjoyed watching the two videos, and
There
I'd
you
like
go.
to thank Jeboy for making us his special cheesy cake.